Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. Thank you for being live. In this session, I will explain you about I will introduce the linear equations in one variable and I will solve some problems on linear equation in one variable. Before starting this session, I will go through some basic things. Okay? Yes, many of them are live. Thank you for them. Yes. First, we know that is algebraic expressions and as well as algebraic equations. See here, algebraic examples for algebraic expressions are 5x, 6x minus 1, 7x minus 3, 8x plus 5. These are the algebraic expressions. Are you getting my point? These are already you have studied in the 7th standard. Okay, these are the examples for algebraic expression. Now see algebraic equation. See how the algebraic equations are denoted. See here, it is 5x plus 1 is equal to 5. Whatever it is. 7x minus 3 is equal to 8. Y plus 3 by 2 is equal to 25. These are the algebraic expressions and these are the algebraic equations. So, can you compare both this? Compare ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ನೀವೇನ sir, what is the comparison or what is the difference between these two? Yes, that is in the equations we will see this equal sign. Are you getting my point? In the equation we can see equality sign, but in the expressions we can't see. Isn't it? That is the major difference between algebraic expressions as well as algebraic equations. Okay, these are the basic things. Now move to the next point, that is I will write it clear on the question. Five is added to a number. 5 is added to a number gives 12. Gives 12. And find that number. Find that number. Okay. What is the question? See here. 5 is added to a number. We don't know which number it is. Okay. 5 is added to a number. We don't know which number that is. And which gives the answer is 12. And now we have to find out that number. Yes, I shall assume that is correct answer. 7 is the correct answer. But see here. Sir, now I will convert this long question into short form. Okay. I will convert this long question into short form. See here. 5 is there. Okay, yes, and which is added. Why I have taken here plus? Because it is added to a number, isn't it? Plus, added means plus. Added to a number. We don't know which number it is. Then I will indicate that by x. Sir, exact togotiri, bare togotiri. Sir, okay. B togori. Sir, B bare. Sir, Y togori. Sir, whatever it may. I will explain it. Okay. 5 is added to a number. We don't know which number it is. That's why we will denote it by a letter, and which gives 12. This becomes our equation. See here. This becomes our equation. See, long question into short form and convert madlike easy. Isn't it? Then see here. 5 is added to a number which gives 12. And find out the y. See here, y is the variable. What is that? It is the variable. What is meant by variable? What is meant by variable? Can anyone? Yes, variable is nothing but that is the value. That is the value We don't know it. It's the symbol for a value. It's a symbol for a value. We don't know it. Gottillre. This is the value. We don't know it, isn't it? And this variable is denoted by letters, whatever it may be. X, L, M, A, B. These are the etc. These are the variables. What is meant by variable? Variable is the symbol to use to find the value. Okay, it is having value. We don't know it. Namak gottilla adar value. So this variable is denoted as alphabetical letters. Okay, this is about the variables. Then what we are seeing in this side, sir, equality sign in the left side ಏನದಲ್ರಿ? Equality sign in the left side, that is called as LHS. That is called as LHS. And equality sign with the right side ಏನದಲ್ರಿ? That is called as RHS. That is left hand side as well as right hand side. Okay, equality sign indicates us that is this is the equation. Are you getting my point? Equality sign indicates us that is it is the equation, and this is the LHS sign, this is the RHS sign. And y is the, and whatever it may be, y, x, z, another, that is denoted as variable. That is variable. See here, how many variables are present in this equation? How many variables are present in this equation? That is only one variable, that is y. Only one variable. Okay, and what is the degree of that variable? Sir, degree means that is power. What is the power of this variable? Sir, 1. See. Now see, what is the degree of this variable? 2, sir. And what is the variable of this? Is 3. And what is the variable of this? Is 4. Now here, what is the variable of 1? Sir, sir 0. No, sir. We have to take 1. Isn't it? Yes. Then what is the degree of variable here? That is 1. Our power of y is 1. Okay, see here, in this equation there is only one variable is present, and as well as the power of this variable is also 1. So that's why we can call it as a linear equation in one variable. Inta equation ಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Linear equation in one variable. That is linear equation in one variable. See, let's see one more example ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾದರೂ. I will write it here. 6x plus 2 is equal to 5. This is also a linear equation in one variable. See here, only one variable is there, as well as the degree of variable is 1. Isn't it? Just concentrate here. Yeah. Then, if next one, 2 plus z, 2 plus z is equal to 8. This is also linear equation in one variable. Now see whether 2x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Whether this is a linear equation in one variable? No, sir, because here two variables are present, that is x as well as y. Are you getting my point? One variable is real. Here there are two variables, that is x as well as y, and degree of x is also 2. Then it is called as, sorry, this is not called as linear equation in one variable. Okay, then these are called as linear equation in one variable. I think now you are clear about these things. Okay, yes. Now we have to find the value of y. Already many of them have told that is value of y is 7. So simply you told that y is 7. Now see, to find out this variable we have two methods. To find the value of y, we have two methods. First one is inverse operation and second one is transpose method. That is inverse operation method. Inverse operation method, as well as second method we have transpose method. Okay, in this video I will just deal with only inverse operation method. Okay, first one, that is inverse operation method. Okay, to find out the any variable in the linear equation in one variable, we have two methods. That is, first one is inverse operation method and second one is transpose method. Okay, in this video I will deal with only inverse operation method. Let's concentrate here. To solve the value of y by inverse operation method, we have to concentrate two things. What are those? I will write it here. Concentrate two things, that is whatever you do in LHS side, whatever you do in LHS side, I do in RHS side. Okay, the next point, these are the points I will explain you afterwards. Okay, next point we have, that is we have to keep only variable in LHS side. Okay, these are the very important points to solve the variables by inverse operation method. What we have to concentrate, that is first point I will explain you, that is whatever you do in LHS side and do it in the RHS side. And the sir, see here, we know that is this is the LHS side and this is the RHS side. See, suppose 5 plus y is there. Okay, randomly I will add 9 to LHS side. Okay, randomly I will add 9 to LHS side. So I have to add plus 9 to right hand side. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದೇ ನಾ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ 5 plus y is the LHS side, isn't it? If I multiplied by 100, then I have to multiply by 100 in the RHS side. Are you getting my point? Yes. Suppose I will give LHS to one laddu ಕೊಟ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ LHS side ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ RHS side ಗೆ ನೀವು one laddu ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Okay, that's not in mathematical, but I'm telling that ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ LHS ಗೆ RHS ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Suppose 5 plus y is there, I will subtract 100. So I have to subtract 100 in the RHS side also. Okay, this is about the first point. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, suppose you will divide, see here 5 plus y is there, I will divide by 100. So then you have to divide 100 by RHS side also. LHS ಒಳಗೆ divide ಮಾಡಿರಿ 100, then you have to divide RHS side by 100 also. Okay, then next point we have, that is we have to keep only variable in the LHS side. We have to keep only variable in the LHS side. See here, see LHS side is 5 plus 1, but one more important point we have, that is we have to keep only one variable. Oh sorry, we have to keep only variable. See, LHS side is 5 plus 1. Which is the variable here? Y is the variable. Okay, Y is the variable. To keep only variable, what we have to do? Bare namak bare y ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. That means 5 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. What we have to do? What we have to do? To keep only variable in the LHS side in this question, what we have to do? Can anyone? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. To keep only variable y, bare y ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. I mean only in the LHS side. What we have to do? Yes, 5 plus 12. No. That is by second method, transpose method ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Don't worry. Very good. That is Vani Kulkarni, 12 minus 5. That is transpose method. It becomes transpose method. Y is equal to, that is Aditya Tech. You are telling that is transpose method. Second method ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. That is. Don't worry. Next, can anyone? ಬರೀ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ y ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು. y ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾನು? Yes, it's okay. See here, y is equal to 1. See. So we have to keep only variable in the LHS side. Okay. Here LHS side is 5 plus 5. Okay. To keep only y, what we have to do? I will do minus 5. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಬರೇ y ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. I mean +5 -5 -5 ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what will get? Sir -5 plus 5 get cancelled, remains only y. Are you getting my point? Okay, one more time, see here. That is 5 plus y is the LHS. We want only variable here. To keep only one variable, that is y, what we have to do? We have to subtract 5. Why subtract? Because it is plus. It is plus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Plus 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Then we will get only 1. Okay? Yes. Then equality sign is there. Equality. Then 12 is there. 12. Sir, one more thing what we have to concentrate, that is whatever you do in the LHS side, do it in the RHS side. Sir, you LHS side ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ? Sir 5 plus 5 is there, 5 plus 5 is there. But -5 you minus subtract ಮಾಡಿ. Then you have to subtract -5 by RHS side also. Okay, it is clear? Sir, one more problem ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ easy ಆಗ್ತದೆ. See here. That is 5 plus y minus 5. See here, plus 5 is there and minus 5 is there. They get cancelled. Also, that is 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Okay, becomes 0. Y plus 0 is exactly, that is y. Then, see here, 12 minus 5 is 7. Isn't it? 12 minus 5 is 7. Sir, now first ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಬೈ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು, ಬೈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಡಿಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೈ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ವೆದರ್ we don't know y is equal to 7 is correct or wrong. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲರಿ y is equal to 7 correct or wrong ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Just cross check it. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? See, what is the LHS here? That is 5 plus y is the LHS side. See here, 5 plus y is the LHS side. And put the value of y in this equation. That is LHS we have 5 plus 5. And what is the value of y we have? That is 7. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, isn't it? 12 is the RHS side, isn't it? 12 is the RHS side. 12 is the RHS side. Then we can say that y is equal to 7 is the right answer. Okay? Yes. take a screenshot and move to the next problem. Very good. Many of them are very active. Yes, thank you for them, and I will appreciate them. And move to the next problem. So direct agi long question barengilri, direct agi I will write a equation. Those points are very important to solve by inverse operation method. Okay. Next problem we have, that is 5 plus x is equal to 50. Now we have to find the value of this variable, and this is the linear equation in one variable. That is because it is having only one variable, as well as the power of this x is 1. That's why it is called as linear equation in one variable. See here, now we have to find the value of x by inverse operation method. Okay, see here what we have to do. First, what we have to do, that is we have to keep only variable in the LHS side. LHS side is this one, and RHS side is this one. See here, to keep only x, that is to keep only variable x, what we have to do? Now tell me, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ? See here, only to keep variable x, what we have to do? Yes, we know that is, assume we know that is x is equal to 10, we know, but what we have to do? By step we have to solve, no? Yes. Bharat, right, sure. Yes, very good. We have to minus 5 here. See here, 5 plus x is there. What we have to do? If we minus by 5, then we will get only x, that is variable. See here, plus 5 minus 5, then we will get x here. Very good. Then we have what you will do in the LHS side, do it in the RHS side. That is 15 is as usual, I will write it here, and we have subtracted 5 in the LHS side, so we have to subtract 5 in the RHS side. Yeah, then plus 5 minus 5 becomes 0. Otherwise, these both are cancelled at the birthday. Then we will get only variable, that is x. 15 minus 5 is 10, and value of x is 10. Now we got the value of x. By which method? By inverse operation method. By which method? By inverse operation method. Okay? Yes. Whether we don't know x value is x is equal to 10 is correct or not, then cross check it. That is why we have LHS side 5 plus x. That is 5 is here, and what is the value of x we have? That is 10. And that is equal to 15, and 15 is the RHS side. RHS side olagadre. Then we can tell that that is x is equal to 10 is the right answer. Very good. Yes, Rajat, x is equal to 10. Yes. Very good answers from all the students. Okay, next move to the next problem. That is x minus 3, third problem, x minus 3 is equal to 7. Then find out the value of x by inverse operation method. First step, what we have to do? Sir, we have to keep only variable in the LHS side. Okay? X minus 3 is equal to 7. Sir, we know x is equal to 10. Value of x is 10. Directly gottagtadri. But by method, by inverse method, how we have to solve? Is it new bar? I know that is we have to solve by inverse operation method. First step, what we have to do? To keep only variable in the LHS side. We have LHS side this side and RHS side is this. To keep only variable, that is x. To keep only variable, that is x, what we have to do? Can anyone? Yes, very good. Bharat Raichur, plus 3. We have to add 3. Then, by adding plus 3, what we will get? Prakash, x is equal to 4. No. See here, I will solve one more problem. Yes, see here. To keep only variable in the left hand side, what we have to do? See here, x minus 3 is the LHS side. But x first isn't it? X first. Then what we have to do with minus 3? Minus 3 hogakandre what we have to do? Sir, simply plus 3 ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ opposite sign ಅಂತ. Isn't it? Plus 3. Plus 3 and minus 3 get cancelled and we will then remains only x. Isn't it? Then RHS side we have 7. RHS side we have 7. Then what we have to do with RHS side? Sir, see here, first step, that is first important point, that is whatever you do in the LHS side, do it in the RHS side. Sir, LHS side ಒಳಗೆ ನಾನು plus 3 ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, then again I will add plus 3 to RHS side. Simple rules, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಅದೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Okay, yes. Minus 3 get cancelled and plus 3 both get cancelled and it remains only x. X is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10 and value of x is 10. Very good, Vani Kulkarni and Rangaswamy. Yes, x is equal to 10. Bhagya Karigoda. Yeah, very good. Yes, x is equal to 10. Okay, then move to the next problem. And these are the very easy problems. So that's why I have allowed the live chat. Yes. Then move to the next problem. 6x. Okay. Somewhat interesting, that is here. 6x is equal to 12. Then find out the value of x by inverse operation method. Transpose method ನಾಳೆ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, don't worry. Okay, by inverse operation method. Inverse operation method ಒಳಗ two concept ತಲೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. First thing, that is you have to keep only variable in the LHS side and whatever you do in the LHS side and do it in the RHS side. See, to keep only variable in the LHS side, to keep only variable in the LHS side, what we have to do? See here, 6x is there. Okay, to remove 6 is it only we want x, but now x ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು. Then we have to remove 6. ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಸರ್? ಕೈನಿಂದ ಹೋಲಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. No, not like that. By mathematical. See here, I will divide 6. Is it okay? I will divide by 6. Why, sir? Because by steps. We have to keep only variable in the LHS side. So that's why I have divided by 6. Yakri, sir? E6 get cancelled. Then only variable is present in the LHS side. Then equality sign is the equality sign. And 12 is the 12. Sir, matta one more concentrate here. That is, whatever you do in the LHS side, do it in the RHS side. Sir, LHS side ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ sir? Sir, divided by 6 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Then divided by 6 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ LHS side ಗೆ RHS side ಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Okay? Yes. Then x is here. Then 6 ones are 6 twos are. Then what is the value of x is here? That is 2. That is 2. Bharat Raichur, x is equal to not 6. See here. 12 by 6. Very good. That is x is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Sir, hang gottaitri? See, LHS we have 6x. 6x के मतलब क्या होता है? That is 6 into x. That is 6 into what is the value of x here? We have 2. 6 twos are 12. 12 is the RHS side. Not really. 12 is it in RHS side, then we can easily say that x is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Yes. Yes. Very good, very good. Many of them are the correct answer, given the correct answer, and I will appreciate them. Bharat Rai, sorry for the wrong. Don't be sorry, you have to try. Okay, I will appreciate for your trying. Okay, don't be sorry. Okay, move to the next problem. Somewhat interesting, see it is. Yeah, that is 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Can find out the value of x by inverse operation method only. Sir, bare method inta ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ, you don't know that is. Yeah, we have to solve 2x minus 3 is equal to 7 by inverse operation method. Yeah, then see here, this is the LHS side and this is the RHS side, and this is the linear equation in one variable. Okay, linear equation in one variable. Yeah, don't be confused. See here, first important thing what we have to do, that is we have to keep only variable in the LHS side. समझ रहे बात? That is we have to keep only variable. See here, 2x minus 3 is our LHS side. Okay, 2x minus 3 is the LHS side. We have to keep only x here. But x state by 3 now. Isn't it? Then what we have to do? Sir, step by step we have to do. That is 7 equal. Sir, first remove minus 3. To remove minus 3, what we have to do? We have to add plus 3. It is to put it 2x variable adala sort of separate though. Okay, we have minus 3 is here. To remove minus 3, we have to add plus 3. Okay, one more concentrate thing. You have to concentrate here, that is LHS side ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ RHS side ಇನ್ನು ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್. Okay, I am repeating because you have to concentrate these both points. Okay, see here we have added by 3, then we have to add by 3 in the RHS side also, isn't it? Yes. Next step now, that is 2x is here and plus 3 and minus 3 get cancelled. Don't worry. See here, 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. Sir, in a solve agilri lecka, we want only variable value, that is x value. Here is 2x. Okay, then we have to keep only variable in the LHS side. So to keep only variable in the LHS side, what we have to do? Sir, I will divide by 2. Yakri sir, sunne telila. See here we have 2 as coefficient, isn't it? 2 as coefficient to x, that is to remove 2. To remove this 2, I will divide 2. See here, this 2 get cancelled, this 2 get cancelled, and remains only x is here. Sir, bari LHS side hai, bari your RHS side, that is L is as 2. Sir, what you did in the LHS side? Sir, divide by 2 marginally. Then you have to divide 2 in the RHS side also. Okay, see here, 2 ones are 2 5s are. Then x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 is the correct answer, isn't it? Yes. Sir, now direct aginu ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. See, but transpose method ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈಜಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, but inverse operation method ಒಳಗ these both points are very important. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ divide by 2 ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ answer will becomes wrong. So that's why these both the points are very important. I write it with shining pen. Okay, yeah. And what's the value of x? We have, that is x is equal to 5. Sir, cross check madamendri? Yes, you can. We have LHS, that is 2x minus 3. We have LHS, that is 2x minus 3. 2 into x value we have, that is 5 and minus 3. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 3, that is 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 is the RHS set. That is LHS is equal to RHS, that is 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. 7 is RHS set. Then we can tell that x is equal to 5 is the answer. Okay? Yes. Then move to the next problem. Yeah, very good, very good. So today many of them are active, I think. Okay, next problem we have related to this same. That is 2y plus 9. 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Is it? Yeah. So we have to find the value of y here. Sir, first step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ LHS side ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀ ನಮಗೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That means y ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See here. So I will take LHS and RHS. LHS is 2y plus 9. ಈ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ಮುಚ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay? Yeah. So to remove minus plus 9, to remove plus 9 here in the LHS side, what we have to do? Sir, opposite side into ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Minus ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. Plus side minus. Number will be same. Minus 9. ಹೆಂಗನೇ ಇರಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Okay? That is plus 9 is in the LHS side. So I have taken minus 9. 4 is here. Sir, ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. Okay? ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. That is minus 9 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 9 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಮೋಸ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ. That's why. So plus 9 minus 10 get cancelled and remains only 2y. Pakka? Minus 5. Isn't it? 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So only we want y value. We don't want 2y value. Okay? To keep only variable in the LHS set, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ನಾನು? ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್? Sir, because sir divide ಇವೆರಡು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we will get only y value. Okay? So minus 5 is here. Sir, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Why sir? LHS side ಗೆ by 2 ನಿಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ by 2 ನಿಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Yeah. Then y is equal to we have minus 5 by 2. And value of y is minus 5 by 2. This is the solution for this equation. Okay? By which method we have solved that one? By inverse operation method. Okay? Very good. Aditya, Bhagya Karigoda, very good. That is minus 5 by 2 is the correct answer. Very good. Rangaswamy, Anjum, Sharat Kumar, Bharat. Very good. Thank you for being live. And one more problem I will solve. Okay? Yeah. That is we have k by 5 is equal to 10. K by 5 is equal to 10. Yappa, don't be. This is LHS and this will be RHS.